So I asked you, Lonzy, to send this one to me because I know there's a lot of people out there doing important business video calls. So this one is for all the professionals out there. It's a little clip-on light that you can clip to your laptop, tablet, or phone, and it really enhances the quality of your conference calls. Plus, there's a whole lot of other features, and the price is just $13. There's a lot of features on this, so let's get into it right now. All right, let's get straight to the point on this one because I know if you clicked on this video, you're probably looking to see if this is right for you. And I'm assuming if you did click on this video that this is probably right for you. But I do have to quickly say, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button. It really helps this channel grow. And if you can reach it, reach it. It's just right there. Yes. Oh, that felt good. That was weird. I was initially going to make this a 30-second Thursday video because I thought, it's only going to take 30 seconds to describe this. But after kind of playing with it, I feel like it's going to be at least 35 seconds. So I felt guilty about it. So this is just going to be a regular full-length video, whatever that means. So where to start? Let's just crack open the box. It has a nice size and build quality. It is about the size of this button.
She'll be right.
Yeah, I'm in Australia, so.
G'day, mate.
It charges with USB-C and has a long-lasting battery. You can see 3 cold shoe mounts around it for accessories like a mic or other accessories. At the bottom, you can see it has a cold shoe, so you can use this on a camera. And it also has a standard screw thread, so you can connect it to a tripod or monopod. It's got a dimmer dial and a temperature control dial, which in my opinion makes it so much easier to kind of control instead of having to press a button. And it comes with a clip-on diffuser, so you can easily pop that on there, and it keeps the light from being too harsh on your skin. So now I have all the lights off except for the backlights, because it's always kind of cool to have a nice backlight. Hold on. Echo, turn off the back power. There we go. So now all the lights are off except for this one right here. And you can see that it does a really good job just kind of lighting the face. And we can also change the tone of the color. And if it's a bit too bright, turn the brightness down. But wait, there's more. It comes with this cool little attachment so you can easily clip it onto your phone, laptop, or tablet. You just pinch it and drop it. But also, if you didn't need a light, you can actually just clip this onto your computer and you can put like a microphone on top of it. And yes, I did find a way to connect an external microphone to a laptop, and it will blow your mind. But I'll save that trick for the next 30-second Thursday video. So make sure you click that. That's the bell. So yeah, it's a cool light. It's the VL69, and probably the best part of all is it's $13. You could use this to really help make your live stream conference calls a lot more professional. And it's super easy to use. Links are in the description, plus a surprise link. Check that out. All right, well, that's it for me. I got a ton of products that I got to get to and make reviews for. Really excited. It's kind of fun to just play with all this gear. And I'm going to keep this light with me because I really like this a lot. But I am giving away other stuff on the Tech is Hard podcast. So that's happening seriously this weekend. We have a live stream giving away stuff. This is the video you can click on to be part of the giveaway for other lights and other cool stuff. So check that out. Leave a comment and music channel up here. All right, cool. I gotta go.